Hi everyone, welcome back to the official YouTube channel of AMK Global. Today we have another recent work permit approval to Canada, who is Chef Manpreet Singh. We have him here with us today. So let's ask him first, like how does he feel right now about getting his work permit approved to Canada? Manpreet, if you want to go ahead.
Yeah, hi everyone. Actually, I got my work permit is 11th of August. I'm very happy. It's an amazing experience with AMK Global. Whole team was very good, and the team have been very supportive throughout my whole process. I'm so happy.
Okay, so Manpreet Singh, if we ask from you, the very first question would be, how did you come to know about AMK Global?
Actually, I am MSc IT, and I went to Dubai in 2017. When I finished my 1 year, and it was program. One of my friends told me to go to USA in F1 visa. Then I called Kiran Madhare. One of my friend recommended me AMK Global, and then I called Kiran Madhare, and Kiran Madhare told me that you are chef already working in 5-star hotel. Why you should go to USA on this? Basically, it was a visa of as a trainee in USA. Then Kiran Madhare told me about you should come to Canada with your family and PR based. So then I follow him. So one of my friend told him, and the experience was very good. And then I completed my 2 years as experience, and then I had IELTS exam, and then I went back to AMK Global, and my process started with them.
Yeah, so once your application was lodged, right? So you must have met different team members in AMK Global, like started from the client information team and then the processing team. So how was your total experience with us?
Actually, very first day I talked to Sir Sam, and after that EB ma'am. And one thing which is very fascinated with the AMK Global team, everybody is assigned a different work, and everyone is very responsible. Throughout my whole process, I had to go through with so many processes, like for my best, for my Lamia, and for my all the documents. They have hired the different people for the different work, and the whole process was very transparent. So I'm very happy. There was no confusion, and they have been very supportive, as I said earlier. So everybody, whoever got in touch with me, they have been very supportive, and they are very professional in their the work which has been slotted to.
Also, like just to give all the viewers a better idea about what your immigration case is, can you brief about yourself, about your work history, about your education, and yes, about yourself?
Yeah, actually I went Dubai in 2017, as I told you earlier. Then I joined the culinary classes over there, and my courses was of 3 months. Then I joined as a trainee. The Intercontinental Hotel basically is a 5-star hotel, as a trainee for 6 months. And after that, I completed as a chef in a pastry section for 2 years. And after completing my 2 years, I start my process with the AMK Global. And then, I got my interview with my employer, and then my Lamia was apply, and I got my Lamia in 35 days. And after that, the COVID just delay our process a little bit, but after that, the things got better, and it didn't take too long, which was expected. Although COVID disturbed our process, but it was quite good. And then after got my Lamia, my file was launched over there, and then I got my work permit 11th of August. And now I have sent my passport for the stamping.
Okay, Manpreet, thank you about that, and thanks for your time you have invested with us. And before you leave, do you have anything else to share with our fellow viewers about the immigration to Canada?
Yeah, definitely. I have to say so many things. Whosoever is looking for Canada visa, it's strongly recommended. Please go visit to AMK Global website. They will definitely lead you to your dream country. As I told you before, they have been very transparent. They have got very experienced people in their team, and everybody assigned a different work. So I can say, according to my experience, they are very professional. You should definitely go to their website, and they will definitely help you out, whosoever is looking for a candidate. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you, Manpreet. Thanks again for being with us today. And thank you everyone for watching this video and staying along the whole video with us. And stay tuned for more testimonial videos in the future. Stay connected with our social media platforms as well. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you.